In this video, I will show you how to get and watch local channels on your LG Smart TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to scan for local channels around your area on your LG TV and watch them on the TV. Now first things first, you want to make sure that you have your antenna connected to your LG Smart TV already. Over here, I am using an outdoor antenna, but you can go ahead and get any indoor antenna. I'm also going to be leaving links to some of the best antennas you can use with your LG Smart TV in the description of this video. So just go ahead and get one and then connect it to your LG Smart TV. Then come over to your remote control and you want to go ahead and press on the settings button at the top of your LG remote control over here. You can also just scroll over to the top where you have the settings icon at the top right corner over here. Go ahead and select the settings icon over there. And from your settings over here, you just want to scroll down until you get to all settings. Click on it. And then you just want to scroll down again until you get to general over here. Scroll over to the right hand side and then just scroll down to where you have programs over here. Select it just like so. And then go ahead and select program tuning over here. Now at this point, you want to make sure that the tuning is actually set to auto tuning, and then you also want to make sure that program mode is actually set to antenna, because we are actually using an antenna in this particular case. And finally, you just want to scroll back to the auto tuning over here and then go ahead and select it. Now you'll be asked whether you want the digital only search or both the digital and the analog. Personally, I would recommend you do not check this so that it will do a both digital and analog search. So once you're done, you want to scroll down and then click on next. And automatically your LG Smart TV will start looking for available local channels it can find around your area. Now in my case over here, as you can see, only 2 local channels or program was actually found on my LG Smart TV, and this is basically because I am using an outdoor antenna and it is not actually placed in a place where it can find all of the local channels possible for my LG Smart TV. So if you're using an outdoor antenna or even an indoor antenna, then make sure that it is actually placed in a well located place where it can actually find all of the local channels possible for you. You also want to make sure that your antenna is properly connected. If not, it will not be able to find any local channel for you. Now once this is done, you can literally see I have 2 TV local channels that was found. So I'll just go ahead and click on the done button now on my remote control. Now as you can see, this is actually some of the local channels that was found during the scan process, and obviously it is not clear, basically because my antenna again is not correctly placed. So make sure that your antenna is correctly placed if you want clearer pictures and if you actually want your antenna to find more channels for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.